So hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use copyright music on your YouTube channel. So अगर आप म्यूजिक अपने YouTube चैनल पे यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, वीडियोस में यूज़ करना चाहते हैं जो कि कॉपीराइटेड है, then this video is for you. So let's go. सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट मेथड जिसमें आप अपने यूट्यूब वीडियोस के लिए फ्री म्यूजिक डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, यूज़ कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी कॉपीराइट इशू. सो अभी मैं हूँ epidemicsound.com साइट पे एंड दिस इज अ साइट फॉर फ्री म्यूजिक फॉर यूट्यूब. So the only cons for this site is that it is a bit like costly, but the quality is great. I have not personally used it because it is a bit costly. So I'll show you how it works. So they give access to high quality music and they own it also. Like there's no copyright or royalties issue. So चैनल में स्ट्राइक नहीं आएगी, नो कॉपीराइट इशू विल बी देयर एंड चैनल सही से चलेगा अगर आप इनका यूज करते हो प्रीमियम प्लान तो. So let us talk about the subscriptions here. There are three types of subscriptions. For example, personal, commercial, and enterprise. So personal is a very basic one. I have a few friends who are using the personal and they like recommend it because the quality is great for the music. So if you have a few bucks to spare and if you can afford the personal plan, then I think you should go with the personal plan. Don't go with a commercial or enterprise plan because you're making a YouTube video. So you need basic like music. You do not need to be like a very hi-fi music quality. So you can use a personal one, but I personally do not recommend it because it is a bit costly and there are a lot of free websites where you can go and purchase or like download free music. So there's no issue of copyright issues in them also and in this also. The only con here is the cost factor. So I would not like recommend it. So let us look at the second method. So let us look at the second method here. Second method is a bit better than the first one. So second method is known as Creative Commons. So what is Creative Commons? Creative Commons is basically a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. So this also has some copyright issues if you monetize your video, but if it is just like for a YouTube video which has no monetization, so I don't think you should face a problem using Creative Commons. So you need to have a certain level of eligibility for Creative Commons license that you originally that your content is not monetized as well as it is marked by a CC BY license. So I'll show you how it is done. So for example, I'm on the YouTube site and I type in Hollywood music here, and there is a lot of Hollywood music here. I go on filters, then I click on Creative Commons here. So there is a lot of music available. I just click on the first link and I will go in the description here. So the license is a Creative Commons reuse allowed license. So if you like want to use this video or the music or anything, you have to use a license of Creative Commons attribution and you have to put this link in the description below. So this is a good method to use free music available. So do not monetize your video and you can use the music available from the Creative Commons license. This has some copyright issues, so do not like use as many as you can. Like there's a better way to use YouTube music, which I will show you in the third and fourth method for using your YouTube music. So yeah, second method is a bit better than the first one. So let us go to the third method. So let us talk about number three. So number three method is basically a very simple method and अगर आपके zero subscribers हैं, 1000 हैं, 10 lakh हैं, 1 million हैं, it does not matter. Every YouTuber can use this method. So I am on my channel here and if I click on customize channel, so I will be directed to a page. And for example, here is the audio library. So after clicking audio library, there is a lot of music here. This is all free music provided by YouTube. And there is about 1300 songs here which you can use and a lot of genre available, for example ambient and dance and electronic here, and you can also use the sound effects from here. Just click on download here and you will be able to download this music. So this is a music provided by YouTube and it is all free and it is the most recommended method if you're starting on YouTube or if you are like looking to make a better video using music. So this is the best method. No copyright issues, no monetization issues. So इसमें कोई भी इशू नहीं आएगा, चैनल पे स्ट्राइक नहीं आएगी, and आप इजीली यूज कर सकते हो. So this is the third method, and the fourth method is the best method which I probably use. So मतलब इससे भी better method मैं आपको next section में दिखाऊंगा. So let us look at the next method. So the fourth and last method is the best method, and trust me, ये काफी ज़्यादा better method है YouTube music video से, because इसमें limited amount of videos और music sounds हैं. So the fourth method is a channel known as No Copyright Sounds. You just type in NCS here, and there is a lot of NCS videos here. So the basic thing with NCS is that if I click on a video here, and if I want to use this video in my YouTube channel, so what I do is I go and show more. And इन लोगों ने काफ़ी आसान कर रखा है, specifically mention कर रखा है, when you are using this track, we simply ask you that you put this in the description below. So only thing you have to do is copy this, paste it in the video you are using this, and that is it, done. And इनका music quality and sound is very very good. I personally use it in my YouTube videos. So this is the most recommended method by me. So YouTube music, if you are bored from YouTube music, so you can go to NCS. So NCS is the best method and is the most recommended method by me. So this is it for the video, guys, and if you have any questions about using copyrighted music on YouTube, feel free to contact me on my Instagram or LinkedIn handle. The link is in the description below. So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय. For the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice from